This is Empowered Magazine Investigates. I'm your host, Anelia Sutton. Let's begin.
British political activist Tommy Robinson, whose legal name is 𝗖ʰ𝗽𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆, has been sentenced to 18 months in prison after admitting to contempt of court. This ruling comes after Tommy repeatedly made false accusations about a Syrian refugee violating court orders in a long-running libel case. The sentencing took place on Monday, October 28, 2024 in a London court, where the judge emphasized the seriousness of Tommy's actions and their potential impact on public trust in the judicial system. Tommy's contemptuous behavior included breaching an injunction that prohibited him from making defamatory statements about the Syrian refugee, who had been the subject of a high-profile legal case. The judge noted that Tommy's actions not only undermined the court's authority, but also posed a risk to the safety and well-being of the individual involved. In addition to his prison sentence, Tommy has been ordered to pay legal costs amounting to £80,350.82, further highlighting the financial repercussions of his actions. This latest conviction adds to Tommy's controversial history as one of the UK's most prominent anti-Muslim activists. Known for his inflammatory rhetoric and public demonstrations, Tommy has faced legal challenges in the past, including previous convictions for assault and other offenses. His activities have often sparked significant public backlash and protests, drawing attention to the broader issues of hate speech and extremism in the UK. Following the sentencing, reactions have poured in from various quarters. Advocates for social justice and anti-hate organizations have welcomed the decision, viewing it as a necessary step in holding individuals accountable for spreading misinformation and inciting division. This ruling sends a clear message that contempt of court and hate speech will not be tolerated, said a spokesperson for a leading anti-hate group. We hope this serves as a deterrent to others who might consider using their platform to spread falsehoods and harm vulnerable communities. Conversely, Tommy's supporters have expressed outrage over the sentencing, claiming it is an infringement on free speech. Many of his followers took to social media to voice their discontent, arguing that Tommy's comments were part of a broader discourse on immigration and national security. This division reflects the ongoing tensions in the UK regarding issues of race, identity, and the limits of free expression. In a surprising twist, the judge indicated that Tommy could have his sentence reduced by up to 4 months if he takes steps to purge his contempt. This could involve removing copies of his book, 𝗖ʰ𝗽𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗁𝗔𝗅𝒐𝒅 The reduced sentence has sparked debate among legal experts, with some arguing that it could undermine the severity of the ruling. As Tommy begins serving his sentence, the case has reignited discussions about the responsibilities of public figures and the impact of their words on society. Legal experts emphasize the importance of upholding the rule of law, particularly in cases involving hate speech and misinformation. This case highlights the delicate balance between free speech and the need to protect individuals from harm, said a legal analyst. It is crucial that we continue to engage in these conversations to ensure that justice is served. Looking ahead, Tommy's imprisonment may have lasting implications for his political career and the far-right movement in the UK. As the country grapples with rising extremism and social division, the outcome of this case could influence public sentiment and policy regarding hate speech and the treatment of refugees. Tommy's 18-month jail sentence marks a significant moment in the ongoing struggle against hate speech and misinformation in the UK. As discussions continue about the responsibilities of public figures and the impact of their rhetoric, this case serves as a reminder of the importance of accountability in the pursuit of justice and social cohesion. The legal and social ramifications of Tommy's actions will likely resonate beyond his prison term, as society reflects on the balance between free expression and the protection of vulnerable communities. The case underscores the need for vigilance against hate and the role of the legal system in maintaining a just society. Thank you for watching Empowered Magazine Investigates. We value your feedback. What are your thoughts on this video? Share your comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories. Until next time, take care. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can create meaningful change. Keep pushing for justice and stay informed.
Dear viewers and subscribers, You know as well as we do that the American justice system is damaged beyond repair and rotten to the core with corrupt cops, corrupt private attorneys, corrupt public defenders, corrupt prosecutors, corrupt judges, corrupt politicians who lie to get into office and lie to stay in office. And let's not forget about the countless government officials who are corrupt and serve no one but their own interests. All of these groups of officials have one thing in common, which is that they fail to serve and protect the very people they are supposed to serve and protect, because the entire system is corrupt from the top. That begins with the Department of Justice. That's why Anelia has dedicated herself to restoring justice by publishing daily content on social media. She is a passionate advocate for social justice and legal empowerment, who began her journey into legal research as a legal abuse survivor. Anelia is doing the work to get rid of an unfair and unjust system, but she can't do it alone. She needs your support now. You can support this important work by simply hitting the follow button. Remember, the people you choose to follow on social media is who you amplify. So follow Anelia Sutton on this platform and across all social media platforms to amplify her mission for justice reform. Next, you can support Anelia by giving a contribution for her justice reform initiatives on aneliasutton.com/now. Your contribution, as little as $8, is critical to restore accountability, transparency, and justice for all back into the justice system. All right, let's get the engagement going here. Do all of the button things, so hit the like button, share this video, and comment #AneliaSutton. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Check the video description box for all of Anelia's social media links and more helpful links mentioned in this video. Remember, knowledge is power. Unity is power, so stand together with Anelia for justice. United we stand, united we win. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all of your support.
I believe that legal education and personal finance are two sides of the same coin, because corrupt officials target people who don't know their rights and are struggling financially. But with the right financial tool, you can protect yourself by building your personal credit, and that's where the Self card comes in. It's not just a secure credit card, but a powerful shield of protection and a symbol of empowerment. Don't let financial struggles allow corrupt officials to put a target on your back. Take control of your personal finances now. Build credit, build dreams. Get the Self card today on aneliasutton.com/self. You can also find a link in the video description box. This video is sponsored by Mission Possible University, a school I founded with courses dedicated to equal access to justice and closing the wealth gap. Join more than 4,000 students and over 20,000 alumni in the pursuit of brave ideas on missionpossibleuniversity.com. Please remember to hit the like, share, subscribe, and the bell notification.